bhature, chole kulche, chole puri, chole pulao. Oh, just the mention of its name is making my mouth water. Hello, I am Neha, you're watching Master Temper Dreams, and today we are making the very famous North Indian dish Punjabi Chole or Chana Masala. This amazing dish just completely mesmerizes your taste buds and leaves you licking your fingers and wanting more. Chole or chickpeas cooked in its various avatars is one of the most versatile and popular street foods of North India. It's also one of the most extensively eaten Indian dish worldwide. So let's go whip up some mouth-watering chole, and don't forget to check out the list of ingredients in the description below.
To make our chole, here I've taken 2 cups of chickpeas that I've soaked overnight and drained. Now I'm going to add these chickpeas into a pressure cooker with about 5 to 6 cups of water, or till the water is about an inch over the chickpeas. Into this I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt and mix it in thoroughly. Next I'm going to prepare a spice packet. To prepare the spice packet, I'm using a steel mesh infuser. You can even use a small piece of muslin cloth. Into this infuser, I'm going to add an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamom pods, and a teaspoon of loose black tea grains. Now I'll secure the infuser and drop it into the pressure cooker with the chickpeas. This blend of spices and black tea is going to give our chickpeas an amazing flavor and a gorgeous color. We'll pressure cook the chickpeas for about 5 to 6 whistles till they are completely cooked and become soft and tender. When done, we'll open the pressure cooker and immediately remove the spice infuser. These chickpeas smell so good, and just look at that beautiful color. Next, we are going to drain the chickpeas over a bowl and collect the water.
Make sure not to discard this water, as we are going to use it in the cooking later.
Now to make our chole, I'm going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of oil into the pan. As the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and as they begin crackling, I'm going to add in a bay leaf. We'll give this tempering a quick stir and then add in a big onion that's minced. We'll saute the onions till they become translucent and then add a tablespoon of freshly pounded ginger garlic paste. We'll saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic dissipates and the onions begin to caramelize. And now we'll add the powdered spices. We'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. We'll nicely roast the spices for a minute or so. Next, we'll add in a big chopped tomato. We'll cook the tomatoes till they become soft and mushy. Now we'll add half a teaspoon of salt. Once the tomatoes soften, we'll add in a quarter teaspoon of sugar. We'll thoroughly mix in the sugar and then add 1 teaspoon of chole masala. If not available, you can also use garam masala. And now it's time to add our cooked chickpeas. We'll thoroughly mix these chickpeas into our beautiful masala. Now I'm adding about 3/4 teaspoon of Amchur powder or dry mango powder. Once the Amchur is thoroughly mixed, we'll add in our saved water. At this point, give your chole a taste and add salt only if required, as there was already quite a bit of salt in the water. Now I'm going to mash up a few chickpeas to help thicken the gravy. And lastly, we'll let our chole simmer for about 2 minutes. Garnish with a generous amount of coriander leaves and some ginger juliennes before serving.
Oh my god, that smells so good. I can't wait to taste this. Wow, that is so delicious. Takes me right back to the streets of Chandni Chowk. Make sure you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. See you next week. Bye!